Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes without a W-2. First, if you haven't received your W-2, your initial step should be to contact your employer directly. They can often provide a duplicate copy quickly. If that doesn't work after a reasonable time, typically by mid-February, you can reach out to the Internal Revenue Service for help. While waiting, start collecting other documents that show your income. When a W-2 isn't available, your last pay stub is a valuable resource. It typically shows your year-to-date wages and the total amount of federal and state taxes withheld. You can also use Form 4852, which is a substitute W-2. This form allows you to report your estimated income and withheld taxes based on your available records and submit it with your tax return. For those who are self-employed, you typically won't receive a W-2. Instead, you might get a Form 1099-NEC from clients. You'll report your business income and expenses on Schedule C, profit or loss from business. It's crucial to maintain meticulous records of all your earnings and deductible business expenses throughout the year. This ensures accurate reporting and helps determine your tax liability. Remember, it's vital to file your tax return by the deadline, even if you're still waiting for a W-2. If you need more time to gather all your necessary documents, you can file for an extension, which typically gives you an additional 6 months. Filing accurately, using your best available information, helps you avoid potential penalties and ensures you pay the correct amount of tax.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.